In this tutorial, we'll show you how to teach your clients to meal plan for themselves. Providing your clients with a collection of hand-picked recipes and a blank meal plan is a great way to provide autonomy and put the power of meal planning into your clients' hands. Our features make this a seamless process for you and your clients. Start by creating a collection of recipes based on your client's needs. Head to the Recipes tab and apply your desired filters. For this example, I'm going to search for recipes that are sugar-free, beef-free, and grain-free. I'll start with breakfast and move my way to lunches and dinners and snacks. That way, my client has a variety of recipes to choose from. To add any of the recipes to your collection, click on the icon with the 3 dots and select Add to Collection. If you haven't yet created your collection, click on Create Collection and name your collection. Click Save and then add your recipe. If you'd like to add multiple recipes to your collection at once, use our Select feature. Check all of the recipes you'd like to add either one at a time or by using our Bulk Select option at the top. Please note the Bulk Select option will choose the first page of recipes. You can scroll down to load more and then recheck the box at the top. Once your recipes are selected, click the Add to Folder icon. Select your collection and add the recipes. Once all of your desired recipes are added, it's time to create a blank meal plan. Click on Planner and then select New and Blank. Give your meal plan a title and set any smart rules that apply. For example, we'll want to add our sugar-free, beef-free, and grain-free tags here as we want to ensure our client's recipe selection matches the rules we set for them. Then select Create Plan to save. Once your rules are set, add this blank plan with smart rules to the collection of recipes. Select the icon with the 3 dots and click on Add to Collection. Choose your collection and then select Add. Once your collection contains the recipes and blank plan, you're ready to share. To share the collection, click the Share button and toggle on Sharing. Be sure to toggle on Allow Edits and select any other share settings that your client might need. If you'd like to provide a greeting or further instructions for your client, use attachments. Select Attachments from the top and click on New or Add Attachment. Select the type of attachment you'd like to create. For this example, we will create a welcome message that provides instructions on how to meal plan, so we'll choose Rich Text. Enter a name and input your message in the content area. If you'd like to choose from our already written snippets, select Apply from Snippet, choose Templates, and then choose the snippet you'd like to create. For this example, we'll use the Meal Planning Guide Introduction. Once your snippet is applied, you can customize this accordingly. To save, select Create Attachment. If you'd like this message to be the first thing that your client sees when they log in, be sure to select Pin Attachment. Your client will be greeted with this message when they visit the shared link. You can also add one of our client-facing video tutorials to offer instructions. You can access this customer-facing video tutorial in the description below. Simply copy the link and paste it as a link attachment. Once your permissions and attachments are set, be sure to copy the link under the Details tab and share it with your client in an email or using your practice management software. When your client clicks on this link, they will see the message that you pinned, any additional attachments, the recipes that you provided, and the blank plan. When they click on the blank plan, they can start to build out with the recipes that you provided them. As the practitioner, you'll be able to see what your client chooses to add to their meal plan. This will allow you to offer them feedback and even edit their plan if they need some extra guidance. This is a great way to empower your clients and teach them the skill of meal planning while still providing them with meals that meet their needs. You can continue to add new recipes and blank plans to this collection on a regular basis if you are working with a client over a long period of time. This is also a great tool for client retention to keep clients engaged on a weekly or monthly basis with new recipes and new plans. And that's how easy it is to teach your clients how to meal plan.